Okay, right now I'm going to be unpacking my, not for the first time, but I'll be unpacking the Rocket Explosion family pack from Great Grizzly. Actually, when I think about it, just about everything I have is from Great Grizzly. Well, I think that was one of the booths. Anyways, yeah, this is the family pack. This is awesome. Let's see. Hold on, I'll try and boost this up and make it better. I actually changed it, so I'll do it on here, but I might have to pay him a little bit. If you don't know what that means, not saying that you're dumbass or anything. Just move it. Yeah. Anyways, starting off. Trident 8 assortment rocket. Flammable rocket with report. Ooh. Coconut tree rocket. And single. Cool. Okay. And next, let's see. Oh, and that was by Mega Banger. Cool name. I guess it's a Mega Banger pack. I don't know. Great Grizzly. I don't know. Who cares? This is a fine color butterfly rocket. Flammable rocket with report. Ooh. And I don't know. They're all about the same. Snow and plum rocket. And they're all wooden sticks. So it's kind of cool. Clustering bees. Flammable rocket. Oh, and I bought this whole pack thing for $20. Yeah. Good deal. Anyways. And all of these have, let's see, 6 in it, which is a really good deal. I think I got an awesome deal on this packet. Anyways. Whistling Moon. Whistling Moon Travelers. These are pretty good. With report. Just a 12-piece bottle rocket. So yeah, those are kind of cool. Let's see what else. Dixie Whistler bottle rocket. Yeah. Starting to come out. And I want to light all these off tonight. Gotta wait till the 4th though. Anyways, yeah. This is a 12-piece. I bet everybody can't wait. Okay, this is another Dixie Whistler 12-piece. I love rockets. Let's see. Wild Geese rocket. Ooh, it even tells you how to launch a rocket. Whoa. Who didn't know how to do that? Rocket parachute. Oh, cool. So these are like the other things that I had, where they go up in there and they shoot a parachute out. That's cool. Oh. These are gonna be cool. I don't know, I might videotape some of these, I might not. Texas Pop rocket. Shoot up straightly into the sky with loud report. So I guess these are apparently louder. I don't know. More little bottle rockets. See, 12-piece bottle rocket, more Dixie Whistlers. Ooh. Some big Dixie Whistlers. Just what I wanted. The double report. Ooh. Man. see, Whistling Moon Travelers, or Report, more those things. Whistling Moon Travelers, and then to the big stuff. Oh wow. Trident 12. Assorted rockets. This looks awesome. Man. Okay. This has 12 rockets in it, out of the whole pack. And, wow. This looks really awesome. Man. And looks like I got some more in here. Westlake Large Rocket. And red and green white stars, yellow stars, yellow stars, yellow stars. And this has, let's see, 2, 4, 6. This has another 12 rockets in it. Oh no, this says 10 rockets. Yeah, this says 10, my bad. Okay, green stars, green stars, green stars. Red and white stars, another red and white stars. Okay. And I got 2 more. Ooh, rocket, 2-ounce rockets. With cranish type top thing, I don't know. 2-ounce rocket. Carnival, Firebirds with colored stars, Black Dragon. That's racist. Just kidding. Silverfish. Magic with 3 repeat something with color stars. Wow, that's nice. Man, and all this for 20 bucks. This is a good deal. Ooh, wow. Another 6-pack. 8-ounce rockets. Wow. These are even better. Damn, I don't light these off. Yeah. And, here it is. Here's all the big rockets. Actually, yeah, all the big rockets. And here's the package. And here's all the little rockets, like the ball rockets and stuff. I guess you could count that as a big rocket. Along with these, I don't know. I'm just gonna count these as little. So, yeah. Pretty cool. 20 bucks. Good deal.